Prime Day is here early with up to 60% off, and if you're building a bug-out bag, this is the window you've been waiting for. We've tracked down 35 of the best survival, outdoor, and preparedness deals live on Amazon right now, handpicked to help you build a capable kit without blowing your budget. Every link is in the video description. Go grab them. Amazon Prime Day Water, Food, and Sustenance Deals. Number 35, LifeStraw Family 1.0 Water Purifier. Was $69.95, now $54.95, 21% off. Gravity does all the work with this one. No electricity, no chemicals, no fuss. It filters 18,000 liters and blocks viruses, bacteria, and protozoan cysts. Compact enough for any emergency supply stash, it's a long-haul investment in clean water when things go sideways. Number 34, Grail GeoPress 24-ounce Water Purifier Bottle. Was $99.95, now $79.95, 20% off. Fill, press, drink. That's the entire process, and it takes seconds. This bottle removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, chemicals, heavy metals, and odors with zero batteries or setup required. One of the most versatile personal purifiers you can drop into a hiking, travel, or emergency kit. Number 33, MSR Guardian Gravity Purifier Replacement Filter Cartridge. Was $239.95, now $162.50, 32% off. Already running an MSR Guardian? This two-stage cartridge keeps it performing at full capacity in demanding conditions. Rated for 3,000 liters, it covers viruses, bacteria, sediment, microplastics, and odors. Worth stocking before you actually need it. Number 32, Aquafit 64-ounce water bottle with time marker. Was $34.99, now $22.49. 36% off. Hydration discipline matters as much as water access, and the time markers on this half-gallon BPA-free bottle help you stay on track all day. 2 leak-proof lids, straw and chug, plus a handling strap give you flexible options on the move. Light, practical, and built for everyday use. Number 31, ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply 90-serving organic bucket. Was $201.99, now $149.99, 26% off. Up to a 25-year shelf life and 90 servings means this bucket sits quietly in storage until you actually need it. Organic dehydrated and freeze-dried meals include options like pineapple chipotle chili, pasta primavera, and white cheddar broccoli soup. Stackable design with a split lid makes storage and access straightforward. Number 30, SOS Rations Emergency 3,600 Calorie Food Bar 2-pack. Was $23.99, now $17.56. Compact, high energy, and ready to forget about until you need it. This 2-pack delivers fortified food bars with a 5-year shelf life under all climatic conditions. U.S. Coast Guard approved and designed for home kits, vehicles, boats, and bug-out bags. Easy addition, real peace of mind. Amazon Prime Day Shelter Cooking and Gear Deals. Number 29, Rebo Gear Military Tactical Backpack. Was $42.93, now $29.99, 30% off. Organization is underrated in a bug-out bag, and this 40-liter tactical backpack delivers with mole webbing, heavy-duty zippers, compression straps, and water-resistant fabric. The padded, ventilated back panel adds comfort on long carry days. Hydration compatible and priced well under what the build quality suggests. Number 28, Osprey Raptor 14-liter men's mountain biking backpack. Was $180, now $134.95. 25% off. Purpose-built for rough rides, this Osprey MTB pack stays stable with a bike-specific winged harness and air mesh wrap hip belt. The included 2.5-liter reservoir, integrated tool roll, and zippered hip belt pockets make it a complete system, a premium pack at a meaningfully reduced price. Number 27, MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Camping Stove. Was $59.95, now $36.89, 38% off. Weighing just 2.6 ounces and folding down to near nothing, this stove is made for backpackers who count every gram. It boils a liter of water in 3.5 minutes and offers adjustable flame control for anything from coffee to a full meal. One of the sharpest deals in the cooking category. Number 26, Kofi Yard 20,000 BTU 2-burner propane camping stove. Was $99.99, now $69.99, 30% off. 2 burners and 20,000 combined BTUs mean multiple dishes cooking at once, a real advantage when feeding a group at camp or a tailgate. Corrosion-resistant build, adjustable burners, included regulator, and a carrying bag make this feel more complete than the price suggests. Folds flat for easy storage. Number 25, Otoland 6-piece camping cookware mess kit. Was $36.99, now $27.99, 24% off. Everything nests together: non-stick pots, a foldable stove, spork, cleaning cloth, and mesh carry bag, all in one compact kit. Foldable handles keep the packed footprint small enough for a backpack. a clean all-in-one cooking setup for camping, hiking, and backcountry trips. Number 24, Coleman Cascade 18 one-burner camping stove was $119.99, now $82.49, 31% off. Matchless rotary ignition and precise simmer control make this Coleman a dependable choice for camping, cooking, tailgating, and outdoor meals. The aluminized steel cooktop handles a 12-inch pan and cleans easily after use. Compact and reliable, exactly what you want in a portable stove. Number 23, Coleman Skydome 2-person waterproof tent was $119.99, now $82.99, 31% off. Nearly vertical walls give this tent 20% more headroom than a standard dome design, which makes a real difference when you're spending time inside. Built-in dimmable LED lighting, a wide door, UPF 50+ protection, and a frame tested to 35-mile-per-hour winds adds serious value. A practical shelter upgrade for the price. Number 22, Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag 10-pack was $99, now $85.47, 14% off. 10 emergency sleeping bags at under $9 each is a supply quantity that makes sense for family kits, vehicles, and group preparedness setups. Each ultralight waterproof bivy weighs 6 ounces, packs small, and retains body heat while blocking wind and rain. Reusable, compact, and worth having before you need them. Amazon Prime Day tools, power, lighting, and safety deals. Number 21, Victronics Explorer Swiss Army Knife was $65, now $44.98, 31% off. Swiss-made and pocket-friendly at 3.6 inches, the Explorer packs 16 functions into a design that goes anywhere without complaint. 2 blades, scissors, screwdrivers, can openers, corkscrew, tweezers, wire stripper, and magnifying glass cover an impressive range of tasks. A strong value multi-tool for travel, camping, and everyday carry. Number 20, Leatherman Bond Multi-Tool was $59.95, now $49.94, 17% off. American-made and backed by a 25-year warranty, the Bond packs 14 tools, pliers, a 420HC blade, wire strippers, and screwdrivers into a lightweight stainless steel design. It earns its place in everyday carry as easily as a survival kit. Hard to argue with Leatherman reliability at this price. Number 19, Kershaw Fringe Pocket Knife was $44.99, now $32.79. 27% off. The carbon fiber insert and gray stainless handle give this folder a look that punches above its price. Assisted opening, a frame lock, and deep pocket clip back up the aesthetics with solid everyday carry function. One of the sharper looking budget EDC options available right now. Number 18, Civivi Figure Pocket Folding Knife was $70, now $59.50, 15% off. Swedish 14C28N steel means strong corrosion resistance and reliable edge retention for daily and outdoor use. The OD Green G10 handle, ceramic ball bearing pivot, button lock, and reversible clip make for a smooth, well-built folder. It carries and performs like something priced considerably higher. Number 17, Gerber Gear Vital Pack Compact Saw was $24.99, now $20.30. 19% off. The bright orange handle on this compact Gerber saw makes it easy to spot in a pack or at a campsite, a small detail that matters in the field. The 3.4-inch corrosion-resistant blade handles camping, hunting, and bushcraft cutting tasks without adding bulk. Included sheath keeps it secure and pack-ready. Number 16, Grow It Folding Camping Saw 11-inch was $22.99, now $16.99, 26% off. Triple cut SK5 high carbon steel at 7 TPI moves through branches, limbs, and firewood efficiently. Faster than most saws at this price point. The ergonomic non-slip handle stays comfortable over longer cutting sessions. Under $17 makes this a no-hesitation ad for any outdoor or bushcraft kit. Number 15, Sunto MCB Sighting Mirror Compass was $40, now $29.33, 27% off. No batteries, no signal dependency. This compass works when everything else fails. The sighting mirror improves bearing accuracy and doubles as a signaling device, while the snap-lock lanyard adds a built-in whistle. A durable, dependable navigation fundamental for hiking, trekking, and emergency preparedness kits. Number 14, Adventure Medical Kits Trauma Pack with Quick Clot was $36.70, now $28.39, 23% off. Bleeding control is the highest priority in any field emergency, and this trauma pack gives you Quick Clot gauze, a trauma pad, triangular bandage, and key essentials in one compact pouch. It fits a car kit, EDC bag, or bug-out pack without taking up much room. A smart, focused first aid upgrade. Number 13, North American Rescue Trauma Shear 6.25 inch. Was $20, now $15.63, 22% off. First responder grade tools belong in a serious emergency kit, and these shears cut through tough materials with a serrated lower edge and rounded safety tip built for controlled field use. The non-slip handle gives you a confident grip when every second matters. Under $16 for this quality level is a straightforward yes. Number 12, Garmin InRange Messenger Satellite Communicator. Was $299.99, now $199.99, 33% off. Cell service ends, this doesn't. Global two-way satellite messaging, GPS location sharing, group chats, and interactive SOS support work anywhere on Earth. Up to 28 days of battery life makes it a reliable safety tool for backcountry trips, remote travel, and serious emergency preparedness. Number 11, Garmin Varia ERTL 615 Rear View Radar and Tail Light. Was $299.99, now $129.95, 57% off. A 57% discount on Garmin tech is rare, worth flagging on its own. This e-bike compatible radar tail light detects vehicles approaching from up to 150 yards and stays visible a mile away in daylight. Real-time alerts pair with compatible Garmin devices or the Varia app for smarter riding awareness. Number 10, Garmin Forerunner 165 Running Smartwatch. Was $249.99, now $199.99, 20% off. Built-in GPS, wrist-based heart rate, and a bright AMOLED touchscreen anchor this runner's watch without overcomplicating the experience. Daily suggested workouts, recovery insights, Garmin Pay, safety tracking, and 25-plus activity profiles are all included. A well-rounded fitness companion for runners who want real data without the learning curve. Number 9, Suunto 9 Peak Pro Sports GPS Watch. Was $249, now $199, 20% off. Rugged, accurate, and built for athletes who push into demanding environments. The 9 Peak Pro packs 97 sport modes, turn-by-turn navigation, weather alerts, and 100-meter waterproofing in a sleek all-black build. Fast charging and serious battery life mean it keeps up wherever you go. A premium outdoor watch at a real discount. Number 8, Petzl Swift RL Rechargeable Headlamp. Was $134.95, now $90. 33% off. Reactive lighting automatically adjusts brightness to match your environment, so you always have the right amount of light without touching a button. At 1100 lumens in just 100 grams, the output to weight ratio is exceptional. A USB-C charging, red light modes, and a split headband make this a standout headlamp for any kit. Number 7, Black Diamond Storm 500R Rechargeable Headlamp. Was $89.95, now $67.39, 25% off. Waterproof, compact, and putting out 500 lumens, this rechargeable headlamp is built for conditions you can't control. Power tap quick brightness switching works without menu navigation, and red night vision keeps your eyes adapted in the dark. A dependable hands-free lighting option for camping, climbing, and emergencies. Number 6, Woobin F5 Rechargeable Camping Lantern. Was $36.99, now $31.44, 15% off. Versatility is this lantern's biggest strength: 500 lumens, 3 brightness levels, 3 color temperatures, and a 5200 mAh battery that also charges your phone via USB-A. Hook, magnetic base, rotatable stand, and tripod thread let it mount almost anywhere. A capable, well-priced light for outages and outdoor use. Number 5, Streamlight 66134 Stylus Pro USB 350 lumen pen light. Was $59.99, now $46.22, 23% off. Slim as a pen, serious enough for first responder and medical staff. This 350 lumen rechargeable light handles inspections, low-light tasks, and daily carry without complaint. IPX4 water resistance, 1 meter impact resistance, and a 2.5-hour charge time pack up the compact form. High mode runs 1.5 hours, low pushes 3.5. Number 4, Mech Army X2S stainless steel LED keychain flashlight. Was $29.90, now $20.92, 30% off. Keychain sized and stainless steel, this mini EDC flashlight delivers 130 lumens with IPX8 waterproofing and 1 meter impact resistance in a form factor that adds no meaningful bulk. Micro USB charging and up to 6 hours of low mode runtime make it a practical everyday carry for travel and emergencies. Small light, real performance. Number 3, Blaver 20,000 mAh solar power bank. Was $56.99, now $34.94, 30% off. Few items cover this much ground: 20,000 mAh capacity, built-in cables, wireless charging, 20-watt USB-C fast charging, and a solar panel for off-grid top-ups. A flashlight, compass, thermometer, and carabiner are also built in, all inside a waterproof, shockproof, dustproof shell. A genuine multi-tool for power in any emergency scenario. Number 2, Anker 10,000 mAh battery pack 2-pack. Was $45.99, now $34.19, 26% off. 2 portable chargers for the price of 1. Each slim 10,000 mAh pack delivers high-speed 5-volt 3-amp charging through USB-C and USB-A. 2-way USB-C support and scratch-resistant durability round out the spec. Keep one at your desk and one in a bag. You'll be glad both are there when the power goes out. Number 1. Marlboro Portable Solar Panel 30-watt. Was $49.99, now $37.99, 24% off. Off-grid charging capability ties the whole kit together, and this 30-watt foldable panel delivers with 21.5 to 23.5% conversion efficiency across USB-C, QC 3.0 USB, and DC outputs. 10 connectors are included, and IP65 waterproofing keeps it field ready. When outlets disappear, this is how you stay powered. If you picked up any of these deals or found something useful, hit subscribe. We're guns you can't live without, and we drop videos like this regularly to help you make smarter buying decisions. Leave a comment on what you grabbed, share this with someone building their kit, and we'll see you in the next one.